Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're serious about grooming, you know that a good trimmer can make all the difference. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Brio Beardscape V2 Black, bundled with the Zero Blade and Body Blade. It's marketed as a complete grooming kit designed for beard, body, and precision trimming. But does it truly live up to the claims? Let's find out. The Beardscape V2 is packed with features, starting with its adjustable ceramic blade, which is designed to minimize heat and irritation while delivering a sharp, precise trim. The kit includes the Zero Blade for ultra-close cutting and the Body Blade, featuring a titanium rake for trimming sensitive areas. With 5-speed settings, a quiet motor, and a long battery life, it's engineered for versatility. Plus, it comes with multiple length guards for added control. And with a 2-year warranty, Brio promises peace of mind. Now let's talk about real-world use. Setting up the Beardscape V2 is straightforward. Charge it up, attach your preferred blade, and you're good to go. The ceramic blade glides smoothly and stays cool, reducing friction even on longer sessions. The Zero Blade delivers an extremely close trim, almost like a stubble shaver, but it doesn't fully replace a razor if you want a completely smooth finish. The Body Blade stands out. It's gentle, yet effective, making it ideal for chest, arms, and more sensitive areas. The 5-speed settings are useful depending on hair thickness, and the motor runs quietly, which is a nice touch. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ceramic blade stays sharp longer and generates less heat than standard steel blades. The Zero and Body blades make this trimmer incredibly versatile. Battery life is impressive, lasting through multiple trims without needing a recharge. It's also quieter than many competing trimmers. Now, for the drawbacks. The Zero Blade, while great for close cuts, won't fully replace a traditional razor. And while the Body Blade is gentle, those with very coarse hair may find it takes a few passes for a completely even trim. The price is also on the higher side, so it's an investment. If this review is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, especially if you're into top-tier grooming tools. Now, is it worth the price? The Beardscape V2 is built well with premium materials and strong performance. If you want a high-quality trimmer that covers both beard and body grooming, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for something budget-friendly, there are cheaper alternatives like the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom series, which offers good performance at a lower price. Compared to similar trimmers, the Beardscape V2 stands out with its ceramic blade and quiet motor. Many competitors use stainless steel, which can heat up and cause irritation. However, in terms of sheer cutting power, some professional-grade models, like Wahl's cordless clippers, may have an edge for barbers or those who want a heavier-duty option. As for build quality, the Beardscape feels premium. The housing has a solid weight without being too bulky, and the blades feel durable. Since Brio offers a 2-year warranty, that suggests confidence in longevity. While I haven't had it for years, user feedback suggests it holds up well with proper maintenance. Brio's customer support also has a good reputation. While I didn't need to contact them, reviews indicate they are responsive and helpful, which is reassuring for a product at this price point. So, what's the final verdict? If you need a trimmer that does it all, beard, body, and close shaving, this bundle is a great choice. The ceramic blade, multiple speed settings, and quiet motor set it apart. However, if you just need a basic beard trimmer, a more affordable option may suit you just as well. For those who prioritize precision and comfort, the Beardscape V2 is an excellent investment. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to check out the product is in the comments. Let me know if you've tried this trimmer or if you have a go-to grooming tool. Until next time, stay sharp and stylish.